Whether you've got one leaky roof or are maintaining dozens or even hundreds of buildings, when there's something that needs attention, Cocoon Cool Roofs is available to assist. Until there is a problem, a roof is usually out of sight and out of mind. If a roof is past its useful life or has substantial water leakage, you may believe you need to pull it off and replace it. We're talking torn off and rebuilt. These are unfortunate and sometimes unnecessary projects that are expensive, disruptive and wasteful. You're probably looking at 6 weeks of noise, dust, debris and displacement. But it doesn't have to be that way. For many roofs, a cocoon restoration is a long-term, less expensive, carbon footprint reducing, fast, clean, safe and smart solution. Your customers and tenants won't even know work is being done. There's no noise, no tear-off and minimal landfill waste is produced. Not only is it easier on the occupants, but it's also easier on your budget. And you can continue to recoat the surface for the lifetime of the building, extending the cost savings and preventing the significant expense of a tear and replace, or several. These savings can instead be applied to improvements like LED lights and other green initiatives, or simply kept in your maintenance budget. That's entirely up to you. Just one Kinder to Year 12 school's roof can create enough waste to fill 10 backyard swimming pools. So, whether you help to save the planet or simply save a bunch of money, you come out the hero in this story. Cocoon Cool Roofs is here for you.